Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to see from class 10th chapter 5 arithmetic progression exercise 5.2 question 12. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th terms? So let's try to understand. There are two APs are there. So not given to us two APs. So let's consider. So let first AP. So first AP is like A1, A2, A3, A4 dash 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 and AN. Okay, this is our first AP. And then the second AP, B1, B2, B3, B4 dash dash and Bn. So let two APs have the same common difference. So we have two APs here and their common difference is same. They have same common difference. So D is same for both. D is same. So whatever may be the common difference, it is same. So now the difference between their 100th term is 100. So you consider if there is A100, okay, dash, A100 is there, okay. So the difference between both the APs, the 100th term, right, their 100th term, that means A100, this is B, sorry. So A100 and B100. So their difference between them is 100. See, 100th term is 100. So both the APs, the 100th term, so A100 and B100, their difference is 100. So then what is the difference between their 1000th term? Meaning here is AN is 1000th term. So 1000th term between them, what will be the difference? So we can understand here, if 100th term, see it is already said, the D is the same, okay, D is same for both the APs. So difference between these two are same, between these two are same. So difference between these two is 100. So then what will be the difference between the 1000th term they are asking? So whatever is the difference, it's already said same common difference. So that means if common difference here it is 100, then here also it will be 100 only. I hope so. I'll just make it clear to you. Here you see. Let's consider we have a AP here 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, this is one AP. And then we have here another AP, that is okay, so we have two APs here. So difference between is what? 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2. Here also you see 14 minus 12 is 2, 16 minus 14 is 2, 18 minus 16 is 2. So that means the D value here is 2 for both. So whichever, if now you continue, the D value remains the same. So same way here, 100th term is 100. So they are telling there are both two APs we have, and the 100th term is the common difference is same common difference for all, same common difference. So the 100th term they have the difference is 100. Then 1000 term is what? It will be the same only, like this only. So let's prove that. Okay. So let's prove that A 100th minus B 100th. Because we want to know the difference, how we will know? We have to minus. If you want to know the difference, 4 minus 2 will come to know the difference. So same way, we have to minus. If you minus only, we will come to know the difference. So like for example, 4 minus 2 will give us 2. That's how we come to know the difference between this is 2. So like that, if you want to know the difference. So from this AP 100th term minus the second AP 100th term, the difference is what? 100. So 100 is given to us. Now let's write down in the equation form. This can be written, no, because our formula is AN equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So if N is 100, this will be 100 minus 1. So can we write down this A plus 100 minus 1 will be 99, and this d will be there. So this is 1, then this minus here. So now b also you can be write b plus 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1 will be 99 d. Okay, this equal and this 100 here. So now a plus 99d minus b, minus into plus will give us minus 99d equal to 100. So here plus 99d minus 99d gets cancelled. So you have a minus b. By the way, first term, right? First term we write a1 and b1. So you can write down like this also, or like this also is okay, fine. So 100. Okay, so a minus 1 is 100. Sorry, a minus b is equal to 100 we have got. So you consider this as equation, this as equation 1, this as equation 2. So now let's do for the thousands term. Okay, now let's see, same way we will see for the 1000. Minus b 1000 is equal to, let's write down this equation 1. So this we have written in, okay, this also we can write down same way, sorry, this also we can write down same way with the formula a plus, this will be 1000 minus 1 will give us 999d, then minus b plus 999d. A plus 999d minus b, then a minus into plus will give us minus 999d. So now plus 999d minus 999d gets cancelled. So we have a minus b. Okay, so now this a minus b is what? From equation 2. So from equation 2, a minus b is what? 100, right? So minus b 100th will be equal to a minus b is what? We have been solving this only, right? We had been solving this. So when we solved, so we are getting, that is a minus b is 100. So this is our answer. As I said, see, whatever may be the question, it is given to us, two APs are there and they have same common difference. So if they have same common difference, their 100th term is 100. Okay, so if they are having a same common difference, so whichever term is there, the difference remains the same. So if 100th term is 100, then if 1000th term also will be 100 only. If they ask you to find out 2000th term, 2000 term also will be 100 only, because d value is the same. Because the difference between their 100 term is 100. So already it is at same common difference. So d value is the same. So whichever term you take both, the d value remains the same. So and I have explained to you here also. So d value remains the same. You continue this, the d value will remain the same. So that's how we have proved here. So 100th term difference is 100. So then when we solve, we got a minus b is equal to 100. So same way when we solved this, a minus b we are getting answer, and a minus b is what actually? It is 100. So we got the difference will be 100 only. So that's our answer. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.